2 beef steaks, ribeye or skirt steak, about 250 grams, about 9 ounces, each. Add salt and black pepper. Hi friends. My name is Isabel and welcome to my kitchen. Beef is a great source of protein, iron, and B12, supporting muscle growth and overall health. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. - 100 grams softened butter, about half a cup. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. One tablespoon lemon juice. Add dill. One garlic clove. Add salt. Wrap in plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes.
The roads that they all fled on their knees, and the old ones gone under tonight.
500 grams of small new potatoes, about 1.1 pounds.
On my skin, beginning to thaw.
Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today.
This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it.
This morning has as clear a light as any. To see the horizon and the fall. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
4 garlic cloves, unpeeled, crushed. Garlic also contains allicin, a compound that helps lower cholesterol and improve circulation. Three sprigs rosemary. Add salt. Add some olive oil or vegetable oil. Place the potatoes in a baking dish. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes, turning once, until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy all over. Heat a little oil with a high smoke point, e.g., rapeseed or peanut oil, in a very hot pan and fry the steaks to the desired degree of doneness. While frying, if desired, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 crushed garlic clove, and 1 sprig of rosemary to the pan and baste the meat with the cooking fat. Rare, approximate 2 minutes per side. Medium, approximate 3 minutes per side. Well done, approximate 5 minutes per side. Let the steaks rest in aluminum foil for 5 minutes after frying. Bell pepper. Bell pepper, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, boost metabolism and support immune function. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Tomato. Tomatoes, high in lycopene and vitamin C, boost immunity, protect the heart, and reduce inflammation.
White is the color of flowers in springtime. Red the color of blood through my veins. Blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me,
Cucumber.
let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name.
Cucumber hydrates the body, supports skin health, aids digestion, is low in calories, and contains antioxidants and vitamins.
Some people say that the path you are choosing only leads to where you wanna go. Some people say you
Add dill.
forgive and forget, but tell me, let me know what you feel inside. 'Cause you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name.
Add salt.
It's like you don't know me by name anymore.
Mozzarella cheese balls. Lemon juice.
Blue is the color of when you were leaving. Tell me,
Add juice to the olive oil.
let me know what you feel inside.
Add 1 tablespoon French mustard and 1 teaspoon honey to the olive oil.
It's like you don't know me by name. You don't know me by name. It's like you don't know me by name.
Drizzle the salad with the dressing. Cut the butter into pieces.
This is a good
Friends,
idea
thank you for watching until the end.
to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many. When the old
Thank you for the
ones
comment,
are
like, and subscription.
I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to thaw from within.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work.
Not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
See you in the next videos and take care.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny.
Enjoy your meal.